It's time to celebrate the season of tricks and treats.
When you hear the knell of a requiem bell, it grows clean where the spirits dwell.
Goblins and ghosts seem to appear on high during Disneyland's Halloween fireworks in the sky.
Grinning ghosts come out to socialize.
While the scary creatures may seem so near, there are other frightening characters that many do fear.
Lucas of Rugelkopf, wings of the Caspian Sea.
Disney villains. It has to do with all of those wonderful, that treasure trove of Disney villains that everyone loves. Everyone says, oh, I'm scared of the Wicked Witch, and I'm scared of Maleficent, and I'm scared of Ursula. But deep down, they love to see them. They think they're great. They think they're really fun. And the villains have some of the best music.
Sing! Sing!
Their villainous show is quite the feat, and it really generates some intense heat.
40-foot flames that come shooting out in front of the castle.
As you can see, the fireworks are in their prime, and we found the show's length is an ominous time.
We have a 13-minute show on Halloween.
Oh, I'm really scared.
Mark Eades reporting for OCRegister.com.